Okay, this is just a quick little video of my Mastercraft Engineering XY rotary table for the drill press. It's the model number 500. I have another video on YouTube where I have it completely disassembled, where I'm cleaning it and then I put it back together. And then of course I greased everything when I reassembled it on the lead screw using some finish line grease. I forget what it is, but it's like, oh, hold on, that's this stuff over here. Let me just grab it. It's, sorry about that. It's this stuff here, Extreme Fluoro, which is you can look it up on the Finish Line website, but it's a really good pure fluorinated Teflon, I believe, PAE grease. Anyways, I bought it to use on my motorcycle suspension stuff, and it turned out to be just a really good grease. It's extremely expensive. I think this tube costs like 20 bucks or something. Anyways, that's what I used when I lubricated the lead screws and the surfaces when I reassembled this. But as you can see, it's in very good condition. The cranks are in real nice shape. I have it sitting up on a little block of wood, so it's teetering around a little bit. But I decided, originally I bought this and I decided to restore it and use it on my Craftsman drill press, but I've since purchased a milling machine, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and part with this. As much work as I put into it, as much as I love it, it turns out that I don't really use it on the drill press, and I have an XY on the milling machine and a rotary table. So I decided I'm going to list this on eBay and find a new home for it. I did want to, I can't really work it too much because it's balanced on this little block of wood, but you can see the lead screws are very smooth. I took them out and I cleaned every little thread with a little, I can't remember what I used, but it was a little dental instrument, I believe, and a piece of paper towel. So the feed on this is very smooth. Like I say, the lead screws and the lead screw nuts are 100% clean and lubricated. I also took out the whole assembly here, and of course cleaned out all the dirt. So this thing's so clean you really can't eat off of it. And the feed here, of course, is very smooth. It has Gibbs screws, which you can use on the X and Y to adjust it. And then also you can see up under here it has a degreed wheel, and there's two little screws which push. I think there's two. Let me see. Yeah, there's two. There's two little Allen screws here that push on a gib on each side that kind of pinches down around a machined dovetail on the inside. And the tolerances on this thing are fantastic. You'd think this thing was built in Germany because just taking this table off, just the vacuum that's created between the surfaces makes it very difficult to get this table off. So it's almost an interference fit. So, and of course I lubricated that all inside, and it's all clean. I cleaned the surfaces here. There's really no major gouges or anything. I mean, obviously it's not brand new. You can see, and you can see in the video, I mean, excuse me, you can see in the photos, there's a little dinky mark right here where it looks like somebody dented it a little bit. The biggest thing is this. It looks like somebody took a little notch out of it. Looks worse in photos than it really is, but I did want to point that out. But you can see it's really not that big of a thing. Of course, if you shove a camera up in front of it, it looks gigantic. And then there's a little dinky, I don't know if you can see it, there's a little dinky kind of ding right there. But overall, it presents very well. I think as an addition to a drill press or something, it really is a nice piece. And of course, in the world of the Mastercraft Engineering tables you find on eBay. This one is in exceptional shape. It has the T-slots. I'm not sure what size the T-slot nuts are, but you know, you can probably find those or make them or something. I think that's about it. The dovetails are in fantastic shape. Like I say, I cleaned everything up and had it all apart if you look at my other video there. So anyways, it's for sale, and if you have any questions or anything, let me know. I'll post the eBay item number in this video description as well. Okay, thanks for watching.